Smith is with me. I'm Martin Tyler. Delighted to have your company for this match today. Nottingham Forest in our featured match today versus Manchester United. Got just some pride here for the players at stake, and of course the managers will want to win.
Well, they will want to win, and what they'll also want to do, Martin, is try out one or two different tactics. So we might see one or two things that they don't normally try in normal matches.
Manchester United getting the first half underway. Can he turn away from the challenge here? What a good piece of defensive clearance that was. Oh, he's got support here. Maybe the cross. Well, he saw the guy could switch the play to and came up with the pass as well. Excellent. If he wants to, he can play it to the left. That's where the support is. It will stop the attack, that. And he strikes a goal! That was a bit of panic, but he's got it away. They tried to keep it, but they haven't been able to do that. It's fine play from Nottingham Forest, getting really onto the front foot now. It's got to be a goal, surely. And now he's looking for some support. Good challenge. This is his situation, isn't it? Looking for a goal. It's looking good, this move. Knocked it away. Great piece of defending. If he wants support, he's certainly got it in this attack. He's got a chance to cross. Some good runs to his right from his teammates. And that's good support as they build this attack. He's backed up on the left-hand side. He's taken it away there with a very good tackle. Attacking now. Strong tackle here. Well, that's a clever pass. Chance for him. Oh, and he knocks in the goal. Well, that's the first goal of the game. It's 1-0. helping him out. And here comes a player to help him on his left. And that's gone out of harm's way for a goal kick. Fabulous clearance. Oh, a bit of first half misery here for Manchester United. Who would have backed them to be trailing as we count the minutes down to half-time? And I must say, they will need to improve in the second half, otherwise they're a spent force in this game. And now they've got a corner on the attack again, the team that's leading by 1 goal. Disappointing for them, that corner. Well, the attacker is now spoilt for choice, really, in terms of support. He can cross it now. Challenged quickly by the opposition. And he's going to shoot. And a player gets in the way. Made a great block with this goal advantage. They've now got a corner. Definitely not the corner that they planned. The opposition have the ball. And that's half-time, signalled by the referee. 1-0 the half-time score. At half-time, we have got a low-scoring half, but we have got a team that's in the lead, which means that the team that's trailing has got to find something extra to get anything out of this match.
Yeah, and in fairness, they didn't show too many signs of doing that.
So the referee's happy, the players are in position, the second half gets underway. He's got support here. Good challenge. Well, this attack has got a bit of menace to it. In a goal! Oh! And they've got this equaliser. Well, that was the equaliser, and it's 1-1. Needs a bit of assistance here, and it's coming on the right. Trying to find a way through here, probing away. Well, he's on the attack, and he's got plenty of options from his teammates. Well, that's gone back to the goalkeeper. Well, now we are going to have a substitution, and at this stage of the game, it's still level. This is what the manager will hope will be the decisive moment. If he wants to go to the right, that's where the options are. And the defenders come in well here. Timed his approach and got the ball. Still on the attack with the throw. That's good support play from his teammates. He's taken the ball out of play. There was no challenge on him. Oh, good skill. Just to lift the ball there at the right moment. Got the tackle in. Attacking now. Slipped past his man now. Got a chance to cross. Well, we're going to have a change now. And the manager trying something different in the hopes of getting his team in front. And the opponents come in strongly. You have to be a good player to wait a pass like that. A little dink, really. Goalkeeper's ball, he's kept it, it's not getting away from him. The opposition back off, they could be in trouble when the ball gets to here. And here's the cross, here's the cross. Hit the player and change the mind of the assistant there. Well, we're still level here and we're going to have a substitution. Is this the way to alter the match in their favour? It's a poor touch and the possession's gone away. Great opportunity. That's courageous goalkeeping to come out where the boots are flying.
It's so important for the modern day keeper.
Goes for goal with a volley. Oh, they've scored, they've taken the lead. And up on the scoreboard here it says 2-1. much more like the real Manchester United in this second half, as the scoreline shows. That was a difficult spell for them before the half-time break. And the defender has done very well here, got his foot in. And quickly back to his feet.
Good skill, but you look at the defender, not good enough.
Under challenge, that's good control. And now he's looking for some support. He's going to cross it, and the cross is in. Well, they can breathe again, the defenders, having coped with what was an awkward moment for them. That's a fine tackle. He could cross it from here.